What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You already know what time it is, guys. You already know. Yeah, man, I'm there with another hit and a smash and a banger, people. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people. Today we're back with another one. From you see from the title what we're doing. Yeah, man. This is a young artist on the dancehall scene. Artist, you know, we may have high hope for. A lot of people been gravitating towards lately. You see me? This artist been dropping a lot of bad songs, a lot of, you know what I'm saying, dip on social media, you know, they've been in clash, you see me, you know what I'm saying? This artist been doing his thing. You see me, he's a young artist in the dancehall game, but he's growing, or at a steady pace, hopefully keep him grind going up. If you don't know who I'm talking about, guys, let me introduce you right now. I'm talking about Pablo YG. Yeah, man. Pablo YG just dropped a song about 4 hours ago entitled Toronto. I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. Yeah, man, Pablo YG, very dope, edgy artist. You see me out of Jamaica. I don't know what dancehall man do. You see me, and you know, people been gravitating to him, and his growth been steady. I hope he keep his going. So let's see if he got another banger for us. You see me, so you know, I will up the vibes much longer. I don't know, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe button. You jump right now. Track Pablo YG Toronto. Let's get it.
I get ya.
Hold on to them. Hold on. Toronto.
Some dog them a jack fast. From the blood clot they a lancer. Jagga done stress be my panny as fast. Jagga blood clot go na Toronto. TD Bank if not a Wells Fargo. That's
easy no man. You don't know dog said it's another chopper style. You see me? Another chopper style dog coming here. Blue faces. Blue faces. Come on, let's get it.
Send a little letter dog that fast. And I see the blood class color call and say hello. Mount a mill when me jack on the phone. TransUnion that a good credit score. Every girl crush.
TransUnion that a good credit score. Easy now, brother. Hey boy. Where there you don't know about them thing there. You have to be American now, brother. You don't know enough things in a yard. Hey, Joe, there now and play, man. Yeah, man, do your thing.
She not the Juve, me no know. She not tell her she a freak, but me know that she done. Say them a chopper, me no know if I chew me style shine. Me no know if I gun fully done. Not that, but the bricks from my own. How with the blood clot, them I say I know. Foot sensor swipe my shoes, pull it chunk. Then I just do that, dog to me.
You know, foot sensor swipe my foot, pull it chunk. Till and I bend easy, you know. You have a self, you know, brother. I say you got to be GLE, and they boss in them, you know, boy. They don't know. Pablo.
Some dog them a jack fast. From the blood clot they a lancer. Jagga done stress be my panny as far. TD Bank if not a Wells Fargo. That's that. Send a little letter dog that fast. And I see the blood class color call and say hello. Mount a mill when me jack pan phone. Style and pattern look pan the man fashion. Mount a gun over command.
Style and pattern look pan the man fashion. Easy dog 923. Easy. Come to them. You see me.
Barbie and Shatta, me girl them a bada, Sunny and Sasha. She smelly man cologne, Annie one backers. She a do anything the Jimmy chooses.
Smell like cologne, she Annie one backers. Talk truth, no man. Talk truth, them man. The more than know this about cologne, them beat there, them bad in the youth. You see me, they have some bad cologne in there. Cologne do have favorite for you, no brother.
She say fi do it, tell her man do it. Nobody move, bitch, telling me we shoot him. Me choose it, no move like loopy. Me guess it you fi moody, me catty have fi move lit.
You know what I mean? My catty have fi lit too. Easy, you know? I don't know if I know TD Bank or Wells Fargo. Easy.
Some dog them a jack fast. From the blood clot they a lancer. Jagga done stress be my panny as fast. Jagga blood clot go not a
don't be my panny as fast. I'm turning jog fast.
Toronto, TD Bank if not a Wells Fargo. That's God, send a little letter dog that fast. And I see the blood class color call and say hello. Mount a mill when me jack on the phone. TransUnion that a good credit score. Every girl crushing.
Good credit score, easy.
And the truth me no know, she no tell her she a freak, but me know that she done. Say them a chopper, me no know if I chew my style shot, me no know if I gun fully done, not that.
I don't know if I chew my style shot, me no know if I gun, arm to them.
But the bricks from my own. With the blood clot, them I say I know. Foot sense, that's why my shoes pull it chunk.
How that craft god? Eh? Craft god that pan like, yeah, you mean man a craft man. Yeah, mean man, easy me DJ. Yeah man, craft a bad artist in a bro. You see me and Pablo a bad artist in a craft. You see me, you see two one for just go and hold on the head down. You see, why for that? You have to just keep on the head level. Yeah. Keep on the head level and go and do the thing. Two one carrying that blood plate, man, tell you. Yeah man, big man thing, go on.
Wipe my shoes, pull it chunk. Then I just do that dog to my skull. No, oh. Some of that in my dark bag.
You know see this class. You know see this color call. Answer. See me? Mad thing. Bumba, you mean man? Yeah man, that's Bumba Pablo YG Toronto. You see me? Mad thing man. Really dope track. You don't know me at the time it is. You don't tell her Pablo, young artist in the game and I'm doing thing. You see me? Dark style different and you know make the chop tune them always mad. You see me? And all them tune them really always shot. But you see me come again with another chop tune. You see me? Toronto. But a mad thing dog up. Look at the dog them a travel and do shows and thing. You see me and say? Yeah man, I'm love to see that like with the change the dance all go on, you know what I'm saying? People saying, yo, trap music and you know, but yo, we clearly see the new artists doing numbers. You see me, we clearly see them doing shows and touring. So there's clearly a demand out there for that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah man, Pablo YG Toronto, you do your thing, brother. You see me, let me know on the thing in the comment section. You see me, let me know what your favorite part, the video, the lyrics, the style, you see me, the people inside of the video. Let me know what was your favorite part, you know what I'm saying? And definitely hit the like and subscribe button, you know, support your boy, help us go over here. Don't know, say modest podcast. You see me, this is a madcast. You see me, this is not a modest podcast, it's not a sadcast. I don't know what to do with thing over here, so. But yeah man, let me know anything. Drop in the comment section, like and subscribe. Go over, show the artists some love and support. That's Pablo YG. Check out him Vivo, show him some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco Dan TV send you. You see me? Yeah man, make you know say yo, we strong over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Jambisco and our family lit. You see me? Littest podcast man. You see me? Don't know. People stay tuned for In The Jam podcast. You definitely go check out our channel at In The Jam TV. Links gonna be in the description. Check it out. Subscribe, guys. Video coming soon. We got interviews, you know, we got music, sports, entertainment, there's lifestyle, you know, finance, everything we're gonna be talking over there. So definitely go check out In The Jam podcast. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be lit over there, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be giving out some gems, it's gonna definitely be entertaining, you know what I'm saying? It's just vibes. So let's definitely go check out In The Jam podcast. That's our In The Jam TV. Subscribe to our Instagram at In The Jam Pod. You already know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco here and hitting and smashing. Bang, huh? Till the next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.